I'm Jen.
And I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe
on the go. How are you, Jen?
I'm good. How are you, Joey?
I'm doing great.
So what are we doing today?
Getting closer to going to Mexico.
Oh, we are.
When you've reached the point of packing, you know you're almost there.
Okay, so in all the videos we've ever done for Disney World and any other place we've visited, we have never done a packing with us video.
No, because, I mean, we're just going to Disney, so what are you going to pack? You got your outfits, but normally when we're there...
No, you have ears and you have lounge flies and you have the jewelry and the shoes.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
a process.
Right, exactly, because I bring all that stuff.
Well...
I bring shorts and t-shirts.
And
my Tommy Bahamas.
I find packing very stressful.
I don't.
I don't like trying to figure out what I'm going to wear. I always change things.
You always change things.
I always change things.
Up until the last minute, you're always changing things.
I end up throwing extra outfits into my bag because I'm unsure and I just want to have extras just in case I'm not feeling something that I've originally packed. But the way we start the process is we lay out the suitcases, so we'll show you that. And then we start making piles of what we're going to bring. Then those piles get put into the suitcases, and then we start working on our carry-on bags.
In order, with outfits like put together,
Yeah.
so that way they're in the suitcase, all kind of sorted together in order.
Yeah, and I do. I put them like, this would be Sunday night, Monday morning, Monday night, Tuesday. So you get the process, and then I have a whole thing of extras. I have my underwear, my bras, my shoes, my bathing suits, my cover-ups, my hats.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy.
And I'm always worried that I'm going to go over the weight limit, but I never do.
No, you never do.
I'm always like, Joe, we should get one of those weigh scales, like suitcase scales like Chloe and Dan have.
No, this is my weigh scale right here. I can tell if something's going to be over 50 pounds. Until I get so old that everything is going to be heavy, I'll know when a suitcase is over 50, trust me.
You know who the best packer is?
Chloe.
She is.
Absolutely.
Like, literally, this lady, she packs like 20 lounge flies for each trip with matching ears, with a crossbody bag, with the whole earrings and the jewelry.
She plans out her outfit so well. And she does these videos of what she's going to wear, like not just each day, but each part of the day. So she's got everything just color coordinated where if she's, bounding.
I'm constantly in awe of her packing skills and her outfit choices.
Yeah.
And if you want to see Chloe pack, she's at Chloe and Dan Vlogs, and it is absolutely amazing the amount of stuff she can fit into a suitcase and not go over the weight limit.
I know, it's crazy. And I just like how she does her videos when she's actually showing the outfits.
I know, she does cute little jumps and cute little twirls, and if I did that, I would probably fall and break something. Let's just be honest.
Yeah. Forget vacation. You're at the hospital having knee surgery. Oops.
But speaking of that, I just did my first kind of what I may bring with me to Mexico, spring into summer transition outfits. So hopefully I did a good job, and you will watch all the way through when we post it, because it will most likely go up before this video. So perhaps Joe can link it in the description below.
Yes, and it's all going to be
But don't be too rough. It's the first time I've done it.
Yeah, and also it's going to be part of the Mexico playlist. So all the Mexico videos are going to be all together in the Mexico playlist.
So easy for you to find.
Yes, but... Anyway, so for packing, we have a lot of extra stuff we have to put together because we are going to another country, so we have to do the passports and print up a bunch of stuff outside of the, clothes that we're bringing. We have extra things that we have to take care of.
And then I'm bringing like books for the plane, because it is like a 4-hour plane ride, which is going to probably push me to the brink of insanity, because I'm not a good flyer. Like 2.5 hours is my limit, and I know the flight paths to St. Pete and Orlando pretty well, so I know if we veered off course or if we're circling. So this 4-hour flight is going to be a challenge for me.
We're going to give you half an Ambien, so you'll sleep for 4 hours.
No.
A full Ambien, you'll sleep for 8.
No.
Half, you'll sleep for 4. You'll be out, you'll be good.
No, I bought 2 books. I'm going to have my phone.
Just sleep.
I can't get comfortable. Those airline seats are just too...
You need more drugs then. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. I don't have a problem sleeping on a plane at all. Like, majority of the time, I sit in that seat. Before we even leave the gate, I'm asleep.
All right, so we are going to show you our suitcases. We do lay them out in our closet on a tarp because suitcases just get so nasty and dirty from travel.
They kind of do.
And we do have hard case suitcases that we could wipe down with Lysol wipes, but I just haven't gotten there yet.
Well, you have.
But
No,
anyway.
you've done that before.
Not to this stuff. These are our newer bags. I have not wiped them down at
No, I
all.
thought you have, like the last couple times. No? Okay.
Too much work.
Slacker.
I
Well,
am. So
maybe.
anyway,
Well,
we'll show
yeah.
you what suitcases we're bringing, and then we'll start laying things out, and you can come pack with us.
All right. Joy.
All right.
Do you want to come and do it for us, actually? It would save
Chloe,
us
you
a
want to come
whole...
to Illinois and help us?
So much grief and aggravation. Oh, my
Just
gosh.
makes me so tired.
All right. And then, part of the packing thing when you're picking clothes is trying to make sure you're picking things that actually fit
Yeah, that's
or
true.
look good because, anyway, you got to hide certain parts of your body.
That's why this girl wears full coverage of bathing suits.
That's why I need certain types of t-shirts. Anyway.
All right, come with us to get our suitcases. Just that makes me tired. Oh, I didn't realize you were recording.
Yes.
Okay, so
see the red light up there? It says record.
Okay, so we've totally slacked. We have not packed anything, and it's
No.
been 4 days since we started this
No.
packing video.
No.
I've at least laid everything out except my toiletries, my makeup, my meds, and Joe hasn't done anything.
I've done nothing.
So I'm going to show you my pile and how I start putting it into the suitcase, and then Joe's going to start pulling stuff, and we're going to do a time lapse of us taking all the piles and putting them in the suitcases, and then we'll wrap it up.
I don't even
Packing
know.
is a lot of work. and
I
I'm
don't
just
even
so
know.
tired.
I'm so tired all of the time. Oh my God, work has just been killing me.
And tonight I have to watch Riley through the night because her mother is going to Universal this weekend with her sister, and Matt works the night shift, so I am in charge of Riley.
You are babysitting tonight.
I told her we're not having a slumber party, we're slumbering.
You hope.
Oh, she's getting teeth. She's already got 6 with 2 more on top coming down, and so she was sleeping through the night, but now she's not.
Yeah. Well, hopefully she'll.
And
be
she's
good
not
too.
up for a little bit. She's up for hours.
Well, last night Carrie said she did well last night.
She did.
Yeah, so maybe she'll do okay for you tonight. We'll see.
I'm hoping. All right, let's get this packing going.
Let's.
All right, so this is how I have to do things. So I've got swimming suits and cover-ups, underwear right there.
Oh, there. Okay.
Underwears and bras and jammies,
Your delicates.
casual clothes, evening dress wear, my outfit for the plane minus the shoes, extra loungewear, coming home outfit, extra shoes. This will eventually have my toiletries and makeup in it. This is my carry-on bag, and I've got some shoes to change into once we get into Mexico because it's cold here and it's going to be hot there. Joe and I went to Target and bought all kinds of snacky snookies. We got some trail mix. We've got some almonds. But this bag is full of snacks. Got some books, got some meds because we may need this in Mexico. Just don't know. Better to be safe than poop your pants.
More so you than me.
What? We've got some Kleenex. I had gum, but I don't know what I did with it. Maybe it's in this bag. So anyway, we've got some sunscreen. We have a whole miscellaneous pile of like our passbook holder.
This looks like a freaking bomb went off.
I
in
know, seriously. So anyway, that's why we're going to put you on a time lapse so we can just gather our thoughts and get everything organized because we leave in 3 days. And we have to leave for the airport Sunday at 3 in the morning. So,
Here.
yeah.
Okay. Let's
All
get
right,
to it.
let's get to it.
Doesn't fit. Someone needs to go on a diet. All right, Jen, there's yours.
Okay, so the way I pack, because I know I didn't talk about this, is I put my clothes, so my swimsuits, cover-ups, underwear, pajamas are on this side. Then over here, I have my outfits by day as to how I'm going to wear them. So we get there Sunday, so I have something for Sunday night, then Monday morning, then Monday night, then Tuesday morning, Tuesday night. So that's how this side is packed. I just have a garbage bag over it in case anything.
And ask me if that's how I packed.
No.
No.
And then I've got my shoes, and then these are just extra comfy clothes, extra flip-flops, and my water shoes. This is my beach bag with my foldable hat underneath. Makeup, I've got room for my toiletries, my brushes, blow dryer, flat iron, so that'll go there. Then I can zip all this up. But the rest I can't pack until Sunday morning.
And me, I just threw all my clothes in here. I folded them nicely, but I am not coordinated with what's going when and with what. I have no idea.
And then I've got my, in front of the seat bag. This actually fits very nicely under the seat in front of me. And it just has everything I showed you before. And then we're going to add all of our travel documents. So this passbook holder, if you didn't watch our video of 7 essentials for an all-inclusive resort, this is actually linked. But this will hold like our driver's license, our credit cards, our debit cards. It will hold cash in this little zippered pocket. It will hold Joe's keys in here. And then all of our travel paperwork for the resort and the private transfers, that'll all go over here. And then the passports actually go in these little slits. So this will hold all of our important papers and our cash, and this will go in my carry-on bag. This is my outfit for the plane minus my gym shoes. So I feel good. Feel good. Hey, it's almost done.
Is it done?
It's almost done. Just have to pack the stuff we can't pack to the last minute.
Is it time to stop now?
3 more days.
No. I mean, is it
yeah.
now for now?
Oh yeah, we're done.
I can go and relax now.
Yeah, for you, but I'm gonna be watching Riley tonight, so I doubt I'll be sleeping much.
Okay, can we share what happened last night at 3 a.m.?
So I woke up at 3 a.m.
Oh, hold on. Let me just preface this by saying I have a hard time sleeping. Like, I do not sleep through an entire night. I get 4 to 5 hours, and then I wake up and I'm awake. So, at 3 a.m., when I was really asleep and like in a deep, sound sleep, Joe, do you hear that?
It sounded like someone was being murdered in our backyard. I think it was just the coyotes. Reflecting on it now, the coyotes either found something and were killing it, were fighting amongst each other, but it sounded like someone screaming. I guess it could have been a fox too.
Maybe it was mating season?
No.
Didn't sound like that kind of...
No.
Anyway, yeah, so guess who's been up since 3 a.m.? Guess
Probably
who went
up
back
all
to
night.
sleep until... What time did you wake up this morning?
8-ish.
Yeah. So, I'm done. I'm going to go and take a little break now.
So anyway, I hope you enjoyed our first of
And
hopefully
probably
many
only... Oh, many,
packing
sure.
videos.
Yeah, okay.
Hey, as long as we get the luggage delivered to us safely and we have it for the vacation and it returns home with us and nothing spills or leaks, I'm good.
Okay, sounds good.
All right.
All right.
So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action, because in 3 days we'll be in Mexico and we're going to be filming all kinds of stuff for you.
I'm excited.
I'm so excited.
You know what I'm most excited for?
What?
Being there.
And seeing Ariane and Steve.
And drinking.
Because it's Joe's birthday and it's their anniversary.
And drinking.
And drinking.
And drinking more.
And eating a lot. I was able to pull up some menus today and some pictures of food. That's what I'm going to show you when we go downstairs.
Yeah.
It's an 8-minute video.
Yeah. Well,
so good.
Justin from Flock Fam said I need to just put the whiskey bourbon to the side and go with the mezcal, which I'm totally okay with. But the problem is I don't know where my limit is with tequila or mezcal. Like, I don't know if it's here and then I'm done, or if it's here and then I'm done. Like with whiskey bourbon, I know where I'm at with that stuff.
But do you really need to be at anywhere?
Well, I don't want to get sick, puke in the pool, then they will tell us to leave and they won't invite us back. We'll be on the do not. They will be like you and California Grill at
I was invited
Disney.
back.
Yeah, you got lucky. Anyway, okay.
All right, thanks for watching. Tune in for Mexico.
Yeah, stay tuned. More coming.
Bye.